Hi, I'm Abigail at Carver Equipment in beautiful eastern North Carolina. Let me tell you about our Enorossi Farm Maxx sickle bar mowers. They are made in Italy by Enorossi Manufacturing. We sell them in 5 foot, 5.5 foot, 7 foot, and 9 foot cutting lengths. We try to keep all sizes in stock, but sometimes we have to wait 60 or 70 days for our next shipment to come in. So place your orders right away to make sure you'll have the mower when you need it. The BFS 210H has been one of our most popular models for more than 15 years. We've sold hundreds of them across the U.S. and to offshore customers as well. As pictured here, they are 3-point hitch-mounted, tractor 540 RPM, PTO powered, and belt driven. The cutting action starts at the shoe just off the right-hand rear tractor tire. The mowers operate at 90 degrees straight up and down, and lower down to 45 degrees below grade. So it's a perfect machine for trimming right down to the water's edge on pond, ditch, and creek banks. They do great work trimming small tree limbs and paths and pruning berry bushes as well. If you need replacement parts, our distribution center has a full stock and ships daily. You can see here the BFS 210H will do very pretty work when mowing on slopes as well. The sickle bar mower will amaze you in cutting tall, wet, rank weeds and small seedlings. Of course, there will be times you'll need to pull out the old chainsaw or bush hog cutter if the stuff has grown way too big and too thick. The sickle bar mowers are proving to be very popular and efficient for folks mowing and trimming solar panel farms. The 5, 5.5, and 7 foot mowers do a great job trimming under the panels and around up close to the frames. Check out our videos showing them in action at the solar farm. At this time, the 7 foot BFS 210H retails for $5,599. Good news! We have it on sale today for $4,699 if paying with cash or check. The price goes up just a little if you'd rather have your bank wire transfer the payment or if you'd like to use your charge or debit card. With this deal, you'll receive the new mower and an extra 7 foot complete spare blade bar worth over $300. A new PTO shaft, cutter bar safety shield for storage, and a park stand. We offer Band-Aid spare parts kits and Carver Easy heavy duty rivet tools as well. Whether you have a small subcompact tractor or a large farm tractor, we'll be happy to talk with you about which size mower may suit your needs best and look forward to hearing from you. Carver's home and office is in Dunn, North Carolina since 1959. Most mower and replacement parts shipments are made direct from our distributors based nearby. Being just off the Interstate 95 and not far from Interstate 40, it's very convenient for folks doing their own transport arrangements. We ship direct nationwide and shop hard to make sure you enjoy the lowest available rates. The mowers are shipped disassembled and packed on to heavy plastic wrap pallet by motor freight common carrier companies. You have options to pick it up at the truck terminal, ship it to a local business that has a forklift, or have it delivered straight to your residence with or without liftgate service. Each option will affect the shipping cost. There's zero need for you to worry about being able to get replacement parts when needed down the road. You'll enjoy complete ship direct parts support. Now the owner and CEO of Carver Equipment, Steve Carver.
Thank you, Abigail. I'm Steve Carver, President of Carver Equipment Company, and want to tell you how much we really appreciate your business. We've been doing this business now for over 60 years, right here in Dunn, North Carolina, and shipping nationwide. So just give me a call at 919-902-0522, and we'll put together the best deal possible and look forward to helping you. We also will back you up with any parts that you need along the way. So take care. God bless you and your family and your farm. Thank you.